Hey guys, welcome back. So yes, we're finally on the trail. We have had lots of rain here in Wales, and yeah, today is the first sunny day in like 6 days, so I'm really happy to get on the trail. I've got my little upgraded C24-1, so I've put a C14 bed there on the rear, a Brooder motorcycle. We've got some soft kit tyres in there with some foams, no weights, 20 amp ESC, Austar AX6 transmitter receiver, 2-speed gearbox, metal drive shafts, and yeah, still running the stock C24-1 plastic axles. So yeah, been waiting for this for a while. Let's hit the trail. So yeah, I've recently put the little light mod in here, so I can choose to have the lights off, on, or a nice siren feature. All the links to the products I use will be in the video description below, so you can check it out for yourself. And, yeah, I'm happy to be getting some miles on the little truck. It's been a while. So yeah, I'm doing the majority of this trail today in first gear. It's nice and slow and controlled, and there's plenty of torque there if I need it. And yeah, I'm hoping this little lightweight recipe will yeah, do well on the trail. Really muddy, boggy section coming up here. You can see how the little lightweight copes. Not a problem at all for it. Out the other side. Let's give the tricky tree line a go. Now, last time I brought this out, we had the C24 rear bed on there, and we had weighted MN96 wheels, and that was a nice recipe, but I thought I'd go for slightly smaller diameter wheels and less weight on the rig overall, because that 2-speed does add a nice chunk of weight down low to keep your truck pretty balanced, as you can see here. Really nice slow control. Oh, look at that. And out the other side. This is not waterproof, but yeah, keep the wheels below the water below the wheels, we should be fine messing around in the water. See if we've got a grip to get straight up this hill here. And straight up. So far I am very impressed with the way this little critter is handling. So yeah, that is pinned in first gear now, guys. It's not a, you know, it keeps up a walking pace. And yeah, I can't complain at all. As you guys know, I really rate these WPL 2-speeds. she goes, yes. A little C14, fair play. Really impressed with that. I'm really pleased with this little critter's handling. And you can really tell that the upgrades make a massive difference when it comes to these little trucks. And they're still an extremely budget little critter. Still under the $100 mark for everything you see here. And as you can see, it handles like a little trooper. Really slow and controlled when needed. Let's take it back a bit. Tiny bit more. Let's try and swing him down here now. And out the other side. So yeah, just a quick one from me today, guys. I'm really happy to be out on the trail. I'm quite happy with the way this performs. I think I'm going to go back to the weighted MN96 tyres, as yeah, that does give it a bit more support when you need it. This is a lightweight little trail critter, but yeah, when the going got tough, I found it was toppling over quite a bit. And yeah, as always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We got new content every Wednesday and Sunday. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.